Hello and welcome to the SMS Marketing Tutorials. In this video, we're going to see how to set up a text-to-trivia campaign. Text-to-trivia campaigns can be used as direct interaction with the consumers in the print and broadcast advertising industry. Many businesses including Kellogg have experimented by printing trivia questions on product packaging for direct interaction. Now let's see how to configure a new campaign. Log on to the dashboard using your credentials. Click on Campaigns, then click on the plus button to add new campaign. You'll be directed to a page with different types of campaigns. Click on the Text-2-Trivia button. The shortcode is pre-selected. Enter the keyword. A keyword is a unique word or short phrase that the user will text to the texting number to get the trivia question. Give your campaign a relevant name for internal reference. Type in the trivia question. The users can receive the trivia question by texting the keyword to the texting number. Alternatively, businesses can also invite users to take part in the trivia by sending an invite. The trivia question may include options from which the user can choose their response. Now, let's add response options. Enter the option key, option title, and click on the Add Option button to save. You can add multiple options. Select the correct option by selecting the checkbox next to the option title. Set the start and end date and time for your trivia campaign. Enter the response for the correct answer response message. You can also add images, mobile coupons, short URLs, and MMS to the auto response message. You can also customize the incorrect answer response and other response messages. Click Save Trivia to save the campaign. Now, let's test the campaign. You can also send the trivia questions to users directly by clicking the Send Trivia option. Watch the How to Send an Invite for detailed instructions on how to send an invite. To check the trivia results, click the Trivia Entries button. You can see a summary of all the users who've answered the question. Optionally, you can randomly select a winner. Select the number of winners for the trivia and click Choose the Winner. The winner will be reflected in the Winners column. Thanks for watching.